How are you? I am fine, thank you. Bring my umbrella. What is the time? It is 12 o'clock. How are you? I am fine, thank you. When will you come here? I shall go to the tomorrow. Give me eraser, give me sharpener. Take your ball. Bring my umbrella. Get up, brush your teeth. Take your food, take your meal, take your dinner, take your lunch. Look at the sun, look at me, look at the stars, look at the moon. Wash your hand, wash your face, wash your mouth. The boy is very naughty. The birds are flying in the sky. The fishes are swimming in the pond. Butterfly has a very colorful wings. The mosquito is a dangerous insect. It sucks blood from our bodies. I finished my education. When will you go to there? I shall go to tomorrow. The babies are crying. The girl is singing. This is the new table. This is the broken chair. Don't move. Don't cry. This building is very big. India is our country. India is the diversity of unity. Honeybee makes honey. It leaves beehive. Ant lives ant hole. Ant lives in a ant hole. Apple is very tasteful food. Tastefully food. He is a very mysterious boy. Do your homework. Hold the pencil. Don't understand it. What it happened. When will you arrive here? I am reading the study book. I shall go to the mall. I want to see you. What is your condition? Give the ball. Take your pen. This pen is very nice and is colored yellow. Pick up the ball. Throw the ball. Keep quiet. Don't disturb me. Grasshopper moves from the grass. Butterfly has a very colorful, beautiful wings. Mosquito is a dangerous insect. It brings blood from our body. Please subscribe.